Going from top to bottom, you see the head. And you can see that I've got it extended. And I could extend it more. You can see over here on this leg. There's another full length that I can extend this down and raise this up to almost 6 feet. And it's got very durable feet on the bottom. Quite pleased with the durability and the strength of this. It's well made. There's a support beam in here, and it's fully extended. So on the tripod, I have a release knob here. That's for the plate. Then there's a release knob here. That allows you to pivot this from right to left or east to west. And this, you can loosen, and that goes up, down, or north to south for astronomy purposes. Something I want to bring to your attention. Here's the plate that the hardware sits on, such as my mount for my Move Shoot Move. And I used to have the Ioptron Skyguider Pro, and it was a lot wider. And I put these shims in to beef up the height right here. There's a discrepancy of about 1/4 inch, and that Skyguider Pro would wobble right to left. So I put these shims in, was simply taking a piece of Velcro and adhering it here, put the other piece of Velcro on this piece of aluminum, which is very thin, and it makes a nice padded cushion that's flush, and whatever I put on there now sits very, very sturdy. So it was just a minor workaround, but it made the device a whole lot more stable, and I'm very pleased with that. Level on there. What I do is I've got some levels that I bought at the hardware store that are hexagonal. They're about 5 inches long, and I put one going from east to west, the other one going front back, and by using that and adjusting the tilt on this, I can get this level to the dime. So that's just a bit of how I do it. Two other things I've done. I put Velcro on here, and that one says D, and I used to have a Kendrick Dew Zapper, and it had Velcro on the back and went right on there. So I don't use that anymore. I can probably take that piece off. Over here, I've got one, and it's marked with a C, and that was for camera. And I've got a device that's an 8-volt transformer that goes directly into my DSLR. So that's for camera. That's made by Capexon is the name of that company. And that's a good little device. I don't have to rely on my batteries all night. I can just plug that into 110 outlet, and it runs all night on very, very minimal amount of electricity. Just two more things I want to add on to this video on the tripod. And thanks to Peter Zelenka for the referral on this. This is a basket that is on here, and the name, probably on the bottom, is Vanguard SB100. This was, I'm guessing, $20 on YouTube, and it's great. It sits right on the tripod, and you can put something in there to hold the weight down and make your put some weight in there. It holds your tripod to be a lot more stable. And in that little basket, I put my Honda battery by Jackery. Again, Peter Zelenka uses the Jackery battery, which is a 250 watt-hour device. This one's 290. It's a little more oomph to it, a little more money on the cost. But you can see that you've got an input to charge it. You got 2 USB ports, and you got a 110. And then here's another 12-volt right here. It didn't come with this cap. I had to buy that separately, but I recommend you put that on there. And if you push this button, you can see that I'm at 100% power right now. So, and it goes right in there. And that's it for my tripod.